Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we embark on a delightful journey through our new series focused on the fascinating adaptations of global cuisine. In this episode, we'll explore how cheesecake, a dessert that originated in the West, has been embraced and reinvented by cultures around the world. Let's start with a fan favorite, the light and airy Japanese soufflé cheesecake. Cheesecake has a rich history, originating in ancient Greece before making its way to modern America and beyond. As this beloved dessert traveled the world, it transformed, adopting unique local flavors and textures. Let's see how different cultures have put their own spin on this classic treat. One standout variation is the Japanese soufflé cheesecake, known for its airy, fluffy texture and a sweetness that's just right. Today, we're lucky to have with us a culinary expert who specializes in Japanese desserts.
Thank you for having me. Japanese soufflé cheesecake is indeed special, and I'm excited to show everyone how to make it just right.
Let's get started and dive into the delicate world of this delightful dessert. As we embark on our global cheesecake tour, we explore some truly unique variations from around the world.
Here in Russia, we cherish our tvorog cheesecake. It's a richer, denser cake that really reflects our local dairy traditions.
In Brazil, we add a twist to our cheesecakes by incorporating guava paste, which gives it a delightful tropical flavor.
And in the Middle East, our cheesecakes often feature regional cheeses, which add a distinctive savory note that you won't find anywhere else.
Now let's taste these wonderful creations and discuss their unique characteristics.
It's true, and the Middle Eastern cheesecake has a savory quality that's quite surprising. S2. Yes, and I noticed the Brazilian cheesecake has a sweetness from the guava that's really unique. S1. The texture of this Russian tvorog cheesecake is quite dense, very different from our airy soufflés in Japan.
Each region's taste preferences and available ingredients surely play a role in these adaptations. It's fascinating to see how each culture has made the cheesecake their own.
As we reflect on today's culinary journey, we've discovered fascinating cultural adaptations of cheesecake. From the dense and rich textures to the incorporation of local fruits and cheeses, each variation tells a story of its own. I encourage all of you to try making these international cheesecakes at home and share your creations online. A huge thank you to all our guest chefs for their incredible insights and contributions. Don't forget to tune into our next episode and subscribe for more delicious content. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. A special thanks to our chefs, the production team, and everyone involved in bringing this episode to life. Roll credits, and we'll see you next time on our culinary adventure.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.